Have you ever thought about the very first thing you put into your body in the morning and how it sets the tone for your entire day? For men over 60, this isn't just about energy, it's about circulation, about the lifeblood that fuels every part of your body, including those areas that matter most for your confidence and vitality. Too often, we grab a quick cup of coffee, maybe some toast, and think that's enough to start the day. But here's the truth. What you eat in the first hour after waking can either power up your circulation or let it slowly slip away. Imagine your arteries as highways and your blood as traffic. In youth, those roads are wide open, traffic flows smoothly, and everything gets to where it needs to go. But as we age, plaque, inflammation, and poor nutrition start to narrow those highways. Suddenly, what used to be a fast, smooth ride becomes a crawl. That's why morning nutrition matters. It's the first chance each day to open those roads, lubricate the system, and help blood reach every cell efficiently. Certain foods are like green lights for your circulation. They trigger your body to release nitric oxide, a molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and expand. Spinach, arugula, beetroot, these aren't just trendy health foods, they're natural circulation boosters. Pair them with antioxidants from berries, and you're not just improving flow, you're protecting the roads themselves from damage caused by free radicals. And it doesn't stop there. The timing matters. Your body is most responsive in the morning. Hormones like testosterone, which support muscle, energy, and yes, sexual health, are at higher levels after rest. Feed your body the right nutrients then, and you're giving it the tools to maximize that hormonal window. Skip it, and you're leaving potential on the table every single day. This is the power of a morning meal done right. It fuels energy, sharpens focus, protects your blood vessels, and sets a ripple effect that supports circulation all day long. For men over 60, it's not just breakfast, it's a daily performance enhancer, a natural way to reclaim vitality and feel more like yourself again. Now, let's talk about nitric oxide, the unsung hero of your circulation. Most men over 60 have never even heard of it, but this tiny molecule has a massive impact on your energy, vitality, and performance. Nitric oxide is like a natural traffic controller for your blood vessels. It tells them to relax, widen, and let blood flow freely to every part of your body, including those areas that often slow down as we age. Without enough of it, your circulation suffers, and you can feel sluggish, tired, and less confident. The good news? You can naturally boost nitric oxide every morning with the right foods. Leafy greens, like spinach and arugula, are packed with nitrates, nature's building blocks for nitric oxide. Beetroot juice isn't just for athletes, it's a crescent, powerful circulatory booster that helps your blood reach places that have started to feel stubborn. Even a handful of berries in your morning meal floods your system with antioxidants, protecting your blood vessels from oxidative stress and keeping them elastic and healthy. And it's not just about blood flow. Nitric oxide helps regulate blood pressure, supports heart health, and improves stamina. Think about it like oiling the engine of a car. The better you maintain it, the smoother everything runs. For men over 60, this means more energy throughout the day, more vitality in the gym or on the golf course, and yes, improved performance down there. Here's the secret most people miss. It's not about a single miracle food. It's about a combination, a consistent daily habit. Pair greens with beetroot, toss in some berries, add a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, and you're not just eating breakfast, you're creating a circulatory power boost that sets the stage for everything your body needs. Every morning becomes an opportunity to turn back the clock on your blood flow and feel more alive, more energetic, and more in control. If you want, I can expand the third keynote next about how improving circulation helps energy levels, vitality, and sexual performance, keeping the same engaging Dr. Mike-style delivery. This will continue building the speech into a full, high-impact version. Here's where it gets exciting, because improving circulation isn't just about feeling healthier in a vague sense. It directly impacts energy, vitality, and yes, sexual performance. Think about it. When your blood flows efficiently, every cell in your body gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs. That means your muscles recover faster, your brain stays sharp, and your energy lasts from the moment you wake up until well into the evening. For men over 60, this is huge. Too often, fatigue, low stamina, and sluggishness are just accepted as part of getting older. But poor circulation is a major reason why this happens, and the amazing part is you can reverse it with the right habits. A breakfast rich in nitric oxide boosting foods literally opens the gates for blood to flow freely, helping your body operate at a level you thought you left behind decades ago. And let's talk about confidence, something that matters in every area of life. When circulation improves, your body responds in ways you notice immediately. Energy surges, mental clarity sharpens, and, importantly, sexual health gets a natural boost. Nitric oxide is critical for erections because it signals blood vessels to expand and fill with blood. That's why men who focus on boosting circulation see a remarkable difference down there. It's not magic, it's biology working the way it was designed to work, supported by simple, natural foods. Imagine waking up with more pep in your step, feeling alert, strong, and ready to take on the day. Imagine nights when performance isn't a worry because your body has the fuel and the flow it needs. That's the power of circulation. And the best part is it starts in the morning. Your first meal can become the launch pad for energy, vitality, and confidence that lasts all day long. Here's something many men over 60 don't realize. What you eat in the morning doesn't just fuel your day, it sets the stage for your hormones, including testosterone. Testosterone isn't just about sexual performance, it's about energy, muscle strength, mood, and overall vitality. And the foods you choose for breakfast can either support healthy levels or let them quietly drop. When you start your day with refined carbs, sugary cereals, or empty calories, your blood sugar spikes and crashes. This roller coaster can suppress testosterone and leave you feeling tired, irritable, and less motivated. But when you focus on nutrient-dense, circulation-boosting foods, you're sending a signal to your body that it's time to operate at its best. Protein, healthy fats, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds provide the building blocks your hormones need to stay balanced and your energy sustained. The timing matters too. Testosterone naturally peaks in the morning. That's your window of opportunity. When you fuel your body correctly right after waking, you're essentially turning the key on your hormonal engine. Your muscles get the fuel they need, your mind gets sharper, and your body is ready to perform both mentally and physically. Men who make this small but powerful change notice differences not just in energy, but in drive, confidence, and overall well-being. Think of it this way. Breakfast isn't just a meal. It's a hormone balancing ritual, a chance to support testosterone, regulate insulin, and boost circulation all in one sitting. Over time, these small, intentional choices compound, helping you feel stronger, more vital, and more like yourself, even at 60, 65, or beyond. Now, let's talk about protection. As we age, our blood vessels face more stress from free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and contribute to inflammation, plaque buildup, and poor circulation. Left unchecked, this can slow blood flow, lower energy, and even affect sexual health. But here's the good news. Antioxidant-rich foods are like armor for your arteries. They fight free radicals, reduce inflammation, and keep your blood vessels flexible and healthy. Think of berries, dark leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. These aren't just trendy superfoods. They are natural shields, loaded with compounds that neutralize harmful molecules before they can do damage. Even a small serving of blueberries or spinach in the morning can make a noticeable difference over time. When your arteries are protected and flexible, blood flows more freely, energy improves, and the body responds with strength and vitality that many men thought was gone forever. The beauty of antioxidants is that they work silently but powerfully. You don't feel them instantly like caffeine, but over days, weeks, and months, your system strengthens. Circulation improves, recovery speeds up, and stamina increases both in daily life and in those intimate moments that matter so much. Protecting your blood vessels isn't just about longevity, it's about feeling alive, capable, and confident in your own skin. Here's the key takeaway. Every bite you take in the morning is an opportunity to armor your body, boost your blood flow, and maintain the vitality that lets you wake up strong, feel energized, and perform at your best. For men over 60, this isn't optional, it's essential. Here's something that surprises many men over 60. You don't need exotic superfoods, expensive supplements, or complicated routines to dramatically improve your circulation and overall vitality. The foods that have the biggest impact are often simple, affordable, and easy to find. Spinach, arugula, beets, berries, walnuts, eggs, and even a splash of olive oil. These are everyday foods that pack a serious punch for your health. It's easy to underestimate them, A handful of spinach in a morning smoothie or a few slices of beetroot on your breakfast plate might seem small, but the effects are profound. These foods naturally support nitric oxide production, protect your arteries, boost hormone balance, and fuel energy. Combine them with proper hydration, and you're giving your body the tools to function like it did decades ago. What's remarkable is how quickly you notice the benefits. Within days, energy levels start to rise. Concentration sharpens. Mornings don't feel like a struggle. And over weeks, your stamina, strength, and even sexual health can improve simply because you chose to fuel your body intelligently with everyday foods. The lesson here is powerful. Health at 60 plus doesn't require complicated diets or expensive formulas. It's about consistency, smart choices, and using the natural resources already available to you. When men embrace these simple foods, they unlock a level of vitality and confidence that feels like a second youth. Small, practical actions each morning can lead to profound, lasting results. Here's the thing most men overlook. Food alone isn't enough. Nutrition is powerful, yes, but lifestyle choices can either amplify or diminish the effects of those circulation-boosting foods. Simple habits like regular physical activity, staying hydrated, managing stress, and getting quality sleep work hand in hand with your morning meal to create a true ripple effect throughout your body. Exercise, for instance, doesn't have to mean hours in the gym. Even a brisk walk, light resistance training, or a few minutes of stretching in the morning increases blood flow, enhances nitric oxide production, and helps your heart pump more efficiently. Combine that with a nutrient-rich breakfast, and your circulatory system is firing on all cylinders. You're not just eating for health, you're priming your body to make the most of every nutrient you consume. Hydration is another game changer. Water helps your blood stay fluid, keeps arteries supple, and ensures oxygen and nutrients reach every cell. Stress management plays a surprisingly big role too. Chronic stress constricts blood vessels and reduces circulation, undoing some of the good work from your diet. Mindful breathing, meditation, or even a few quiet minutes in the morning can drastically improve circulation and overall vitality. The point is clear, the benefits of your circulation-boosting breakfast are magnified when you pair them with smart lifestyle habits. Eat right, move, hydrate, and manage stress. And suddenly, the improvements aren't just noticeable, they're dramatic. Energy rises, stamina increases, and your body begins to feel younger, stronger, and more confident. Let's take a moment to talk about something simple that's often overlooked. Water hydration isn't just about quenching thirst, it's a cornerstone of circulation, especially for men over 60. Your blood is more than just a carrier of oxygen and nutrients. It's a fluid system that relies on proper hydration to flow efficiently. When you're even mildly dehydrated, your blood becomes thicker, circulation slows, and your energy drops. That sluggish flow can affect every part of your body, including those areas that matter most for vitality and performance. Starting your day with water is like priming the engine. It wakes up your metabolism, flushes toxins, and helps your circulation get moving. When paired with a morning meal rich in nitric oxide boosting and antioxidant foods, hydration multiplies the effect. Blood flows more easily, nutrients reach every cell, and your body responds with more energy, sharper focus, and greater stamina. Hydration isn't just about water alone either. Natural fluids from fruits, vegetables, and even herbal teas contribute to maintaining optimal blood volume and vessel elasticity. Think of it this way, your blood vessels are like rivers. Water ensures they're wide and free-flowing, letting oxygen and nutrients reach every muscle, every organ, and yes, supporting sexual health and vitality. Men over 60 who make hydration a priority notice the difference quickly, less fatigue, fewer energy crashes, and a general sense of being more alive and capable. It's a small habit, but its impact on circulation and overall health is huge. Pair it with the right foods and lifestyle choices, and you're building a foundation for lasting energy, strength, and confidence. Here's the secret that most men over 60 never realize. It's not about one big miracle change, it's about consistency. Small, intentional daily habits, repeated over time, create powerful, lasting effects on your circulation, energy, and overall vitality. Every morning that you fuel your body with circulation-boosting foods, hydrate properly, and take a few minutes to move your body, you're making deposits in your health bank, and over weeks and months, those deposits compound into real results. Think about it. One day of eating right might give you a small boost, but do it every day, and suddenly your energy is steady, your stamina improves, and your confidence returns. Your body responds, your mind feels sharper, and even sexual health benefits naturally. These aren't just temporary spikes, they're lasting transformations. The cumulative effect of these simple habits is profound, giving you a sense of control over your body that many men thought they had lost with age. The key takeaway is this: small, daily actions matter more than occasional, drastic measures. A morning ritual of proper foods, hydration, light movement, and mindful living is like planting seeds. Day after day, those seeds grow into stronger arteries, higher energy, balanced hormones, and improved vitality. Men over 60 who embrace these habits often say they feel years younger, more confident, and more capable than they have in decades. Remember, it's never too late to start. Every morning is an opportunity to make a choice that compounds into better health, better performance, and a renewed sense of life. Your circulation, your energy, and your confidence respond to what you do consistently, and that's the ultimate power of daily habits.